Welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we are making eggplant meatballs, so let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 2 to 3 large eggplants, or as we have here, 12 mini eggplants. Chop the eggplants into quarters and then add them to a pot over medium-high heat with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Sauté them until they're soft and slightly browned. Once the eggplants are cooled down, we're going to add them to the food processor. Add 6 to 8 cloves of garlic and process for about 20 seconds. Add 2 eggs, about 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste. Process the mixture until smooth and transfer it to a large bowl. Now we're going to add 1 more cup of breadcrumbs, and we're going to grate in some parmesan, approximately 1 cup. Now we're going to add salt and pepper and a drizzle of olive oil. Grab a large cookie sheet lined with parchment paper and preheat the oven to 370 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Now roll the mixture into balls. Bake the eggplant meatballs for about 35 to 40 minutes. In a casserole dish, add a good marinara sauce. We are using our homemade sauce. Place the eggplant balls into the dish and pour over more sauce. We finish off with grating Parmesan cheese. Now place the casserole dish into the oven and set on broil for 10 to 15 minutes or until cheese is bubbly. Some crispy grilled bread, good olive oil, and a sprinkle of parm and parsley to finish. Wow, these are delicious. We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. For full recipes and measurements, please head on over to plateonabudget.com. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.